Hi, are you struggling to save money, or are you tired of feeling like money slipping through your fingers? Well, I'm here to offer you some great tips to grow your savings. In today's hard economic times, saving money is extremely difficult. The rising cost of living and the stagnant wages leave many people struggling to allocate money to savings. However, with effective strategies, you can save money regardless of the economic situation or the income level. In this video, I'll give you 8 simple and realistic ways to save money. Before we get started, make sure to hit the subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. One of the ways to save money is to track your expenses. The goal here is to determine where your money goes and find the factors causing you to overspend. Mobile payments and credit cards are some of the major contributors to overspending. So you should retrieve your mobile payment history and bank statements to account for everything. After this, record all your expenses using a pen and a paper, or you can use a spreadsheet. Free budgeting apps such as Mint and Good Budget can also help you track expenses using your phone. You need to organize the expenses into different categories, including housing, transportation, food, utilities, insurance, clothing, medical, and entertainment. This gives you a good idea of your purchasing behavior. Tracking your expenses also helps you to find money that is going to waste. The second way to save money is to trim your spending. If you're struggling to find money to save, it might be necessary to trim your expenses. The point here is to cut all unnecessary expenses from your budget. The best place to start is your non-essentials. These are the things that are not absolutely important in your life. Examples include entertainment, vacations, eating out, and air conditioners. You should wait before you put your money on non-essentials. You might later realize you never needed them after all. After trimming your non-essentials, you should move to your biggest expenses, such as transportation, housing, entertainment, food, and utilities. Downsizing these expenses leads to massive growth in your savings. Also, focus on cutting some of your fixed monthly bills, including cell phone bills and car insurance. Simple changes like cooking at home or packing your lunch instead of eating out helps a lot in maximizing your savings. The third way to save money is to include savings in your budget. Once you have reviewed your expenses, it's time to create a budget. Savings must be an integral part of your budget. The standard budget rule is to save about 20% of your income. However, the money set aside for savings doesn't have to be much. You should save what is comfortable for you. Start with as little as 50 shillings every day and aim to eventually increase the savings as your income grows. Use apps such as Mint, Good Budget, and Fastly to create your budget easily. Another great way to save money is to set saving goals. Your journey to save money should be guided by specific goals. The purpose of setting goals is to determine what you are saving for, like a new car, a family vacation, a new house, or college education for your kids. Your goals must be time-bound. This means that every goal must have a target deadline. For instance, you can choose to save for a new car for 1 year, or you can save for the same car for 2 years, or even 3 years, or 5 years, depending on your income. Being specific on your deadline gives you a sense of urgency to work toward your goals. The saving goals can either be short-term or long-term, but it is important to set goals that are smaller and achievable. The reason behind this is that attaining smaller goals gives you the psychological boost to save even more. Money saving apps offered by banks are great tools to formulate your goals and add money to them. The fifth way is to automate your savings. Automating savings is one of the powerful ways to achieve your saving goals. Almost all banks facilitate automated transfers between the transaction and savings accounts. This is an excellent way to overcome the temptation of unintentionally spending what is meant for savings. You need to assign a portion of your paycheck to go into your savings account. Also, you should determine when the set amount of cash will move from your transaction account to your savings account. The saving method number 6 is to join a chama. A chama gives you a good opportunity to save money in Kenya. The merry-go-round group is the most common type of chama. The group operates in a very simple way. Typically, a chama is made up of people who come together to pool or invest their savings. The group meets weekly or monthly to collect contributions from members. At every meeting, the collected money is given to one of the group members. By joining a chama, you can save and get your money in a lump after several weeks or months. However, you need to be cautious because there is a risk of losing your money if the group collapses. Make sure you join a group with good leadership and a manageable number of members. And always check the group agreement before you join. Method number 7 is to select the appropriate tools. There are different savings and investment accounts that allow your savings to grow. High-yield savings accounts offer the best option to get high returns for your savings. Other options include basic savings account, fixed deposit accounts, individual retirement accounts, and securities. You should identify the option that best suits your goals. Also, you should compare all available options and consider the minimum requirements, applicable fees, interest rates, and the process of withdrawing your money. And finally, you need to grow your income. If you're interested in saving money but can't trim your budget, increasing your income is critical. The extra income allows you to meet your needs, find money to save. There are various ways to generate new income. You can start a side hustle, start freelance work, or do part-time jobs. Also, you can negotiate your current salary. If your boss can't increase your salary, you can find a new job. Well, that's all from me today. I hope you have learned a lot from this video. Feel free to share your thoughts and other ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.